Hi, my name is Mario. I'm the product manager for additive manufacturing at Grenzebach. Today I want to show you the IPM M docking station and the Inert gas container L, which is part of the EOS Shared Modules. And it connects different process steps from printing and unpacking to setup. It can automatically load, unload and transport of full or empty exchange frames from the EOS M400 systems or the EOS M304 systems to the next process steps under inert gas atmosphere, and even if the build shop is still hot. The transport can be done manually with a lift truck or fully automated with our automated guided vehicle, the Grenzebach L1200S. In this way, you can increase the productivity of your system by outsourcing, for example, the cool down, and other big benefits here are reduced costs through automation and machine sharing and increased occupational safety, and that you have a fully controlled and reproducible process chain.
Hello, I'm Marius from our digital manufacturing department. Our team is focusing on the best industrial usage of our AM technology. How to do that? We call it an AM cell. Taking automation together with our partner Grenzebach, but always to combine our hardware, our investment with software. The next topic is how to track that. We use common industrial KPIs like OEE, overall equipment effectiveness, that means productivity, availability and quality, to track but also to improve a serial industrial production. With this, we strongly believe that additive manufacturing is a touchable brick in all data and digital manufacturing technologies. Thank you.